Have you noticed something strange lately? That even after eating normal meals, your body feels heavier than it used to. Your energy drops faster. Your mind feels a little slower. And you start wondering, is this just aging? Or is something quietly affecting your body every single day? Because here's the truth most people never think about. What if it's not your age at all? What if it's something you eat every single day without even realizing it? Now when you hear processed foods, it might sound harmless, even normal. But the real problem isn't just sugar or calories. It's the way they slowly change how your body feels over time. And most people don't notice it, because it doesn't happen overnight. It builds up quietly, day after day, until tiredness, low energy, and digestion issues start feeling normal. But something interesting happens. When you stop or even reduce processed foods, your body reacts faster than you expect. Not dramatically, but noticeably. You may feel less heaviness after meals, less bloating, a lighter feeling in your stomach. And slowly, your energy becomes more stable. Not the quick spike of caffeine, but a steady kind of energy, where you don't crash so easily in the afternoon. And even your mornings start to feel a little clearer. And this is where it starts to go deeper. Your cravings begin to calm down. You're not constantly searching for something sweet or processed. Your body starts feeling more balanced naturally. Digestion becomes smoother, and daily discomfort starts to reduce slowly. Not because of perfection, but because your system finally gets a break. A break from constantly processing additives, refined oils, and hidden sugars. And then something starts to shift in your thinking. You begin to realize, maybe this wasn't just getting older. Maybe your body was reacting to what you were feeding it every day. And this realization hits differently. Because for years, you may have blamed age, when in reality, it might have been something else all along. And then comes another surprising change. Your mind starts to feel a little lighter. That mental fog, the forgetfulness, the slow thinking. It doesn't disappear overnight, but it starts to fade slowly. Focusing becomes easier. Daily tasks feel less tiring mentally. And even your sleep can start to feel more restful, which makes the next day feel even better. And over time, everything connects. Better digestion, better energy, better clarity, better stability. Not because you changed everything, but because you removed one constant pressure from your body. And after 60, that matters more than most people realize. Because small daily habits decide how strong and active you feel. Not one big miracle, but small consistent choices. But here's something important. Many people actually start feeling better, and then unknowingly go back to old habits, thinking one improvement means everything is fixed. And that's where progress quietly disappears. Because the real change isn't just stopping something once. It's consistency over time. And if there's one takeaway from all of this, it's this. Your body responds to what you feed it, especially over time. And after 60, you feel those changes much more clearly than before. So it's not about being perfect. It's about being aware and making small choices that support your energy instead of draining it. Because sometimes, the biggest transformation doesn't come from adding more, but from simply removing what has been quietly holding you back. And that leaves you with one simple question. If your body can respond this positively just by removing processed foods, what else might improve? If you start making just a few more small changes from today.